Looking at the experiences of Ukrainian pilots who have struggled in real aerial combat, it seems Russia has taken a crucial lesson to heart, always staying one step ahead. The transition process for pilots, from basic trainer aircraft to supersonic fighter jets like the Su-30, Su-35, or MiG-29, is no simple matter. Without the presence of subsonic combat trainer aircraft, effective training in combat maneuvers, radar operation, air combat tactics, and the use of advanced weapon systems becomes nearly impossible. Now, something new has emerged from behind closed hangar doors, a clue about the next step in Russia's air training strategy. Let's dive deeper. Amid the roar of innovation and increasingly complex geopolitical challenges, Russia continues to demonstrate its resilience in the field of defense technology. A proud announcement comes from United Aircraft Corporation, a key component of the country's defense industry giant, Rostec. They have officially unveiled the first prototype of the modernized Yak-130M jet trainer. This is no ordinary upgrade. It's a metamorphosis, an evolution poised to transform the face of air combat training. The prototype is set to undergo a series of rigorous ground and flight tests at the legendary Irkutsk Aviation Plant, a site renowned for producing many of Russia's aviation marvels. And it's not just a one-off. 2 additional Yak-130M aircraft are currently in the assembly process, signaling Russia's serious commitment to this ambitious program. United Aircraft Corporation clearly stated that the development of the Yak-130M is the result of an intensive experimental design program, specifically aimed at expanding the combat potential of the already capable Yak-130 platform without sacrificing its unmatched full training functionality. The prototype, built by the Yakovlev Design Bureau, a name synonymous with innovation and reliability, will undergo a comprehensive ground testing phase. This crucial stage is designed to verify the optimal performance of all newly integrated and upgraded systems, ensuring perfection before this magnificent Iron Bird finally takes to the skies for its much-anticipated maiden flight. This is a thrilling moment, marking a new chapter in Russia's aerial dominance. Rostec, with a far-sighted vision, asserts that this modernization will elevate the Yak-130 to the status of a true dual-role aircraft. Imagine a platform that is not only capable of delivering advanced, in-depth training, but is also ready to carry out lethal light combat operations. This is extraordinary flexibility, an intelligent response to the dynamics of the modern battlefield that demand rapid adaptation and multifunctional capability. But the appeal of the Yak-130M does not stop there. What makes it even more special? This modernization will enable the Yak-130M to be armed with advanced air-to-air missiles, allowing it to engage in aerial duels with deadly precision. In addition, the aircraft will be able to carry precision air-to-surface munitions guided by state-of-the-art satellite and laser systems, making it a serious threat to ground targets with remarkable accuracy. It is no longer merely a trainer, it is a tough fighter, ready for crucial missions. How will the Yak-130M prove itself on the challenging modern battlefield? One of the most fascinating capabilities the Yak-130M will possess is its ability to carry out interception missions against hostile unmanned aerial vehicles. In an era when drones are proliferating and have become a significant asymmetric threat, the ability to neutralize these unmanned aircraft is vital. Drones, with their small size, extreme agility, and often low flight profiles, can be difficult targets. They can maneuver quickly, change direction and altitude in an instant, and often operate in complex formations to avoid detection and attack. This is where the Yak-130M's strengths shine. With its inherently agile design, combined with upgraded avionics and targeting systems, the Yak-130M will be able to match a UAV's agility, track it precisely, and neutralize it effectively. The aircraft, developed from the proven Yak-130, remains the best choice for training 4th and 5th generation fighter pilots, preparing them to face future challenges. This new version, with all its combat upgrades, aims to expand its operational flexibility, ensuring that Russian pilots are not only well-trained, but also have a combat-ready platform at their disposal. At the heart of this modernization lies the integration of a series of new onboard systems meticulously developed across Rostec's innovative companies. The Yak-130M is now equipped with the advanced BRLS-130R radar, providing superior situational awareness in a wide range of conditions. Additionally, the SOLT-130K optical and laser targeting system ensures precise target acquisition, both during the day and at night. For self-defense, the aircraft is fitted with the cutting-edge President S-130 defensive suite, a technological shield designed to protect the aircraft from enemy missile threats. Finally, the modern KSS-130 communications complex guarantees uninterrupted and secure connectivity, which is vital for effective mission coordination. Why is the Yak-130M the most ideal subsonic combat trainer aircraft to complement Russia's legendary 4th and 5th generation fighter jets? The Yak-130M serves as a vital bridge that connects young pilots to the complexity and capabilities of Russia's powerful 4th and 5th generation fighter jets. Consider elite fighters such as the Su-57 Felon, Su-35S, Su-30, and the agile MiG-29. Each of these aircraft possesses unique flight characteristics, avionics systems, and highly advanced mission profiles. This is where the role of the Yak-130M becomes indispensable. As a subsonic combat trainer, it offers a stable yet responsive platform, enabling pilots to master the fundamentals of jet fighter flight, tactical maneuvers, and the operation of advanced weapon systems in a more controlled environment. The Yak-130M's cockpit interface is designed to replicate that of frontline Russian fighter jets like the Su-57 and Su-35S, preparing pilots for a seamless transition to those aircraft. Pilots can train in high-G maneuvers, complex formation flying, and realistic air-to-air and air-to-ground combat scenarios without the risk and expense associated with using mainline fighter jets. With modernized capabilities such as the BRLS-130R radar and the SOLT-130K optical or laser targeting system, the Yak-130M can simulate the use of sensors and weapons similar to those found on the Su-57 or Su-35S. This allows pilots to train in target acquisition, tracking, and missile launches with a high level of realism. Its ability to carry air-to-air missiles and precision air-to-ground munitions also means that pilots can rehearse real-world light combat missions, sharpening their combat instincts before facing actual battlefield conditions. The Yak-130M is a solid foundation on which Russian pilots are forged into unmatched air combat specialists, ready to dominate the skies with Russia's most advanced fighter jets. Recognizing its advantages, Russia is poised to export the newly modernized Yak-130M two-seat advanced jet trainer to countries in Asia and Africa, many of which have already been identified as potential customers. Interested in the Yak-130M? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.